Hey everyone, this is a Honeywell Sunset Key ceiling fan. This is one of the bunch of fans I got from JJ. Yes, it has random Harbor Breeze pull fobs. It didn't come with the original ones. And yes, I know, it's missing a light bulb. I didn't feel like getting a third one. But yeah, I just put this out here along with that. It's a cool looking fan. I like the design. Not a great performer at all, but I do like the design. There's low. I really don't feel air. Yeah, like I said, this is not a good performer, but it's a cool looking fan, and it's something cool to have in my collection. I like it. Medium. Yeah, I still feel nothing from it. Oh. I literally broke the pole chain. I don't know how, but okay. I feel at the end, I can feel the slightest bit of air, but it doesn't really blow anything. Thank you for watching. Bye.